Welcome once again to another episode of physics. Okay, now let's quickly look at this question as we've been dealing with questions on heat and temperature. A metallic sphere was heated from 27 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius without a change of state. Note that key word. The state did not change. It didn't change from solid to liquid or solid to gas. Which of the following changes would have resulted from the heating? And we have the following options. No changes in its volume and density. Its volume increases and its density increases. Its volume increases and its density decreases. Or its volume increases without a change in density. So there are two keywords in the options. Volume and density. Now, we have volume and density in the option. We also have temperature in the option. So let's look for a relationship between them. I've told us in some previous videos, one of the ways to interpret practical questions in physics is using equations to explain that. Now let's start. First of all, the temperature increased from 27 to 200. So the metal bulb was heated and its temperature increased. Now, what is the relationship between temperature and volume? Let's start from there. The person that gave us that relationship is the man called Charles. He gave us the Charles law. And the law states that as the volume increases, as the temperature increases. Okay, so the volume of a fixed mass of gas is directly proportional to the temperature. Alright, provided the pressure remains constant. So if the temperature increases, first of all, it means that the volume will also increase because there is a direct relationship between volume and temperature. So we agree the volume will increase. What about the density? We know from physics that density is mass over volume. And because mass is constant, mass of a body is constant, it means that density is inversely proportional to volume from this relationship. So it means that if the volume increases, the density will decrease. And if the density increases, the volume will decrease. So if the temperature increases, and then it results to an increase in the volume, but because volume has an inverse relationship with density, it means that as volume increases, the density will decrease. So the volume will increase while the density decreases. Option C is the correct answer. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and follow for more videos on heat and temperature. Thank you.